Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful time. I know it's been more than 3 weeks. I haven't uploaded my analysis and I've received a lot of emails, and that's only because of my business traveling to Middle East and my hometown. We are setting up trading floor in Dubai and we'll share that exciting information later on sometime. But I'm back in London now and unfortunately going through self-isolation due to the COVID-19. As you can see, my voice still and recovering it, and so far everything is good. And let me share with you how I analyze market this week and help my traders to make amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, and let me share the 4-hour, and this week we were short, and in the beginning yesterday we have banked few pips, and today we were long and banked few pips. Let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday. And if you look at the from yesterday analysis, this is the analysis. As you can see here at the market open, we had this short trade here from this level here. You can see here that's the breakout. After the breakout we had another pullback trade here, bank few pips. And today, as you can see here, once the price reverse, as explained to my trader, you can see here, this is the level, and this is the level in intraday. Explained to my trader, we already price broken the recent high at this high, so we're expecting another pullback. As you can see here, price develop another pullback as mentioned on the analysis. You can see here, beautiful breakout long trade here. As soon as mentioned here, this is the target which price nicely hit. So we had a beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. Today we had this counter short trade. That's only because of the news. We had a PPI news coming good for the dollar, and we had this breakout, very short, small short trade on EURUSD. Let's dig into the pound dollar, guys. And if you look at the cable, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, this week at the beginning we were short and then long here, and then we also had a short this morning. This afternoon, after the PPI news was good for the dollar, we had this beautiful breakout short trade. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday. As you can see here, this is the analysis from yesterday. You can see here, yesterday that was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, at this level, 4-hour at the market open. After the market open, we're looking at pullback. Price nicely developed pullback. Beautiful short trade here. Nicely hit to the support level and bank beautiful pips. Afterwards, you can see the reversal once the price developed. As you can see here, lower high, and that's the good sign. As soon as the price gonna break this level, we are looking a long trade here. Price nicely developed. This is the counter trade yesterday from here and bank beautiful pips. As always, once the price break that structure, and this morning, and that's what I explained to my detail here at this level, we had a long trade here. That's what we explain in more detail through price action. Let me show you, let me slightly make it bigger and let me explain to you what exactly I mean it. That's what we explained to more details through live analysis. The price developed the structure, as you can see here, and that's what I explained to my trader, expecting another pullback and this breakout, as you can see here. And exactly what happened here, price nicely respected, breakout, beautiful long trade here, and pound dollar this morning. And at the New York session, we were waiting for the PPI news, but I did this analysis, explained to my trader, looking for if the price gonna break this level, then long trade here, or if the price gonna break this level, then short trade here. So symmetric triangle pattern, which is I also updated that analysis instantly and explained through live audio commentary. As you can see here, we had such a beautiful, because the news was good for the dollar, price broken. As you can see here, after the breakout, price retest as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. And at the fib channel, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had amazing trade on pound dollar today. Dollar CAD, if you look at the dollar CAD, and if you look at even yesterday, last week, we haven't seen any big moves, but being intraday, we had such a nice big move this in intraday. Let me explain to you from yesterday. So you can see here, The market open, we had a long trade here, then short, then long here, and that's what happened exactly. As you can see here, the market open on Sunday and Monday. You can see here, beautiful long trade here. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. This analysis, long trade here, and afterwards we have another breakout and the pullback, beautiful trade here. Then once the price hit this target, as you can see here, develop a false breakout. So after this breakout, we're expecting another short trade here, which price nicely develop a short trade here, another pullback, bang, beautiful pips. And once the price reverse, we have another counter long trade here. And even today we have this breakout, as you can see here, and this breakout previously broken, as you can see here. After the breakout, pullback, short trade here. And today, after the PPI news was good. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for this breakout if the price, because this is the level which we explained to my trader. If the price is going to break this level, then we're going to take a short trade here. If the price is going to respect, then we will consider this one inverted head and shoulder pattern, and then good, because the news supported, the news was good for the dollar PPI. And as you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the fib Bollinger Band and previous high, around previous high and the fib channel, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. All right guys, as you can see here, we had such a nice beautiful trades, all these prayers, and as you can see here, most of the prayers bring amazing profit. And as always mentioned to you guys, if you really want to see all this analysis in real time and banking profit in real time, that's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live audio commentary, through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train my traders in live market and help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome guys. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.